This how to 1 minute will show you how to add featured image in WordPress custom theme. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the post or pages section where you want to add a featured image. Now edit the post or page. Once you are in the editor, click on these options, scroll down and click on preferences, select panels, and here make sure to enable featured image. Then click on blocks. Also here scroll down and search for featured image. Check this featured image and then here select post and scroll down and you will get featured image box. To add a featured image, click on it. Now you can upload a featured image from your computer. So all you have to need, just select the photo and upload it here. Once done, let's update the post and let's visit the post. And as you can see, I've successfully uploaded a featured image to the post. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.